Hello everyone, this is MrWhiz. Welcome back to Climbing System tutorial series. In this video we will see about climbing up. So now when we press an up arrow, nothing happens, so we will handle that here. So first on the climb action, so now we just have release ledge. So instead of that we will add a jump function here on the ledge graph, create a custom event. As jump from ledge. Now create a sequence. So first we have to take care of the normal jump. So if this is true, we'll call release ledge. Okay. Now on the player character, we will replace this with jump from ledge. We will first test whether this is working fine. So now we should be able to release ledge if you're not moving. Okay. So this is fine. Now we have to take care of moving up. So add a branch again here. So we have to make sure whether we are moving up, which means this value should be greater than 0. Greater than 0. And we shouldn't be moving left or right. So this should be equal to 0. Now for this we will create one more custom event. Jump up ledge. So call that here. Jump up ledge. Now we'll put some logic here. We'll do a multi-capsule trace by channel, and from ledge location at 300, and let this be the start, and again add 100, and this be the end of our trace. This is because we have to trace above the character's current location. The radius is 10 and half radius is 20, half radius is 10, and set this to ledge overlap, and similar to our height trace, we have to do one more trace here. Axial trace by channel, and we need the same thing. So better I'll move this here and connect this to start and to end. Radius is 20 and half radius is 10, and channel is our ledge channel. We'll use the variables which we have created. The channel debug, let this be 1 for 1 frame for now. We will later connect to our variable which we have created, and take the last index and get a copy of the last index, then break this hit result, and if this is hit, branch to true, and climb state, I'm not sure whether we have created a new climb state for jumping up, so let me check that. Go to game files, climbing system, climb state. Okay, we have jumping up, so set that here. Climb state to jumping up. Okay, so after jumping up, we'll set the ledge height here. Set the ledge height here, and the ledge height has to come from our hit results impact point. And after this, we will use a couple of different methods for us to move from one ledge to another ledge. And for jumping up, I'll show both the methods, one for jumping up and one for jumping to the side, so that it will be you can use whichever you want. So suggest projectile velocity custom arc, and the start position will be player ref, and get the current location, and this will be our start position, and the end position would be word vector into, change this to float and put -40, because the character has to come a bit back and then jump, or else the character will be colliding to the wall. Add this to get the ledge height, break the vector, make vector, and z I'll be subtracting it by a constant, so I'll put as 87. This works fine for me. Your value might be different, so play around with the numbers until your character gets at the right position. This will be your end position, and promote this to a variable and name it as player launch velocity, and then the player ref, get its mesh, play montage, and I already have the animation, Okay, let me create that. Okay, this is animation. I'll create a montage. Okay, this is fine. Okay, I've added the montage here, and we have to stop the montage at some point. So I'll open up the montage. So once it comes to this point, I have to stop the montage. So I'll create a notify, add a montage notify here. Stop montage and select the same hop up place. And before that, before setting the height here, we have to do one more thing. We have to disable the collision so that it doesn't affect when the character is jumping up. So add a sequence here, and run a forward trace. And for the height offset value, get the player ref, get the actor location, and subtract it with the with the impact point. Break this, and we just want Z. Make a vector, just add Z here, and let this be our height offset vector. And once this is done, get the player ref, capsule component, and disable the collision. Okay, then after we stop the montage, we have to enable the collision again. Okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, so we have to add the animations here. So the character has to jump, the arc has to work, and once it's in the place, it has to grab the ledge. And we will do that in the next video. Thanks for watching.